Hey guys, I am back again and it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Vivo V11 versus a Samsung Galaxy A9 from 2016. And Vivo V11 comes with a MediaTek Helio P60 and A9 comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 processor with a 3GB RAM, while the Vivo V11 comes with a 4GB RAM. So let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time, and I am very interested to see a RAM measurement difference as well as a apps opening speed. So let's quickly boot. And this video is sponsored by Apple Mobile Shop. They have this message: this shop will be very good to buy new and used phone as well. And Android 6.0 Marshmallow on the A9 2016 because I can't update this phone. And Android 8.1 Oreo on the Vivo V11, and you can see Vivo V11 is faster there, and A9 is also right behind, about 2-second difference here. Not much a difference between a Vivo V11 versus a Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 processor. And you can see everything is closed up in the background. And first we have the application phone dialer, and you can see that was about the same on both phones. And you can see 6.0 Marshmallow on the A9 2016, and you can see same result, not much a difference. And let's moving towards another application, the calculator, and you can see just a tiny bit faster on the A9 from 2016. Launching some games application, Subway Surfer. And A9 is a Super AMOLED display from Samsung, but Vivo V11 is also comes with a Super AMOLED display. And you can see Vivo V11 is faster there, and A9 2016 is very slow in this game, about 2-second difference. Launching the another game, the Candy Crush. A mistake. Launch again. And Vivo V11 is faster there, and A9 2016 is also done about 4-second difference there, and very difference between a 2-year-old phone versus a new phone. And last, opening up the camera, and you can see faster on the Vivo V11, just a tiny bit faster there. That's launching the internet browser on both phones, Vivo internet browser versus a Samsung internet browser, and show you guys what is the speed. And you can see I have launched the internet browser on both phones. First website is the wikipedia.org, and water droplet notch, whatever you call it, is very beautiful on the Vivo V11, and you can see faster on the Vivo V11. And next up is the facebook.com, and old aspect ratio on the A9 from 2016, but it is very good phone which comes with a 4000 mAh battery on the A9 2016. And you can see again faster on the Vivo V11 and looking very smooth on both phones. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM measurement, 4GB RAM versus a 3GB RAM. What is the difference between? And let's see. And you can see first application is not refresh, and the settings. And last is the Samsung internet browser, and overall I have to say the RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on the A9, but it has a 2-year-old phone, but still it is very good in the RAM measurement. And 4GB RAM on the Vivo V11, and A9 is a very good phone in apps opening speed. It is right behind to the Vivo V11, which is very good. And you can see the fingerprint scanner on the back on the Vivo V11, and A9 comes with a home button which comes with a fingerprint scanner. And thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Vivo V11 versus a Samsung Galaxy A9 2016. And let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.